Hi guys, this is our YouTube channel and this is Dr. Jaskiran. Today guys, I come up with the recipe of a very beautiful product because it's been so long that I didn't put even a single recipe, so that's why today I thought of putting a recipe of veg atta noodles because from the last few days I am fed up of listening to these words like party ori and all that stuff present on the internet. So that's why overcoming that, I come up with a beautiful recipe of atta noodles. Because of COVID-19 you might be fed up of eating this or that stuff, so try to eat something nutritious. This is Maggi Nutrilicious because it is so delicious, so that is why it is Nutrilicious Masala atta noodles. So it comes in a very beautiful packing. You can see it is different from Maggi, simple Maggi packing, and it comes with a foil inside also. So it is appetizing aroma and delicious taste. Spices and herbs are also included. So the taste maker just contain a little bit of small vegetables like crushed vegetables type vegetables. So I'm just putting it to the boiling water. So guys, I have put and the taste maker is also the taste maker is also having very good packing, and it is just like this. So you can go for this Maggi packet because some people have taste for other vegetables. You can also add other vegetables, otherwise you can see it also already contains a lot of vegetables you can see peas and other carrot like vegetables. I have also added corns kernels, so these are corn kernels. You can also add other vegetables if you have taste of that. So not wasting the time, I'm just going to mix them thoroughly. Try to spare time for yourself to add new things to your life, so that you can have fun to your life, add fun to your life, and your life will be colorful. Otherwise we all are at home, sitting at home feeling bored. So you can add the content to your life by adding more recipes, more things like gadgets and other type of beautiful products to your life. You can make one thing in many different ways. Like if you have I can give you example. If you have a packet of namkeen, then you can make it in different ways. Like you can make it as bhel puri. You can add that to your other recipes as well, like to your making poha, and thereby add namkeen to it and eat in many different ways. Thereby you can kill the time, and thereby you can get rid of feeling bored. And this is obviously a tough time for every one of us, so don't get too bored of that, because we have to live up with this time period along with other family members. So guys, by the time I am talking to you, a recipe is being cooked. It will take a little bit of more time. I have a habit of cooking with the lid, so do not forget to add lid to your container if you want to get it cooked easily and quickly, and simmer it down like this. I have simmered it down and it is being cooked. So it is cooking. After taking out the lid, the recipe will be cooked in no time. Thank you. See, it is being cooked on a high flame, and it is nearly cooked. It will take a little bit of more time to get itself cooked. I'm in the habit of having some soupy noodles, so that is why I want to remain Maggi with certain soup inside, so that it would be easy to eat. Otherwise it will taste us dry. Guys, this is our Maggi, and you can have it with the different sauces. Like you can have it with the mint chutney as well as with the tomato sauce itself. Thank you. Like and subscribe our channel.